Netflix rallying off that. I want to see Netflix break this low into demand. 565.50s, 80s. There we go. I'm gonna load the 575 calls. I'm gonna see what it does down here at 565.20. I'm liking that hold on Netflix. I want to enter it, but I don't want to forcefully enter it. I don't want to enter too late, too early. But we did get that double bottom in demand here with a higher low put in on the second test. So maybe if we can roll back around here to the downside, might enter this long. Yeah, I'm entering Netflix there. I got filled there at 312 per contract. We might make a new low in demand. My low right now, or where I'll exit, is this right down in this area. If we get down to basically the demand zone is where I'll exit. Basically looking for a high day break up here at 568 if we can get over this gap fill. Looking at a 5 minute. There we go, 567.50. High a day is 568.62. This is high of day up here, so that's what I'm targeting. Stop down here. I entered on this candle. We are wedging here, but I think a flush down into demand might happen here. I'm ready to exit here. See if we can hold that gap fill there on Netflix. 566.88. You can see this little wedge. Can draw it out. Been in this trade for quite a while here without it really doing anything. Break even here on these Netflix contracts. NVIDIA having trouble. Netflix starting to go with NASDAQ coming down. Netflix going again to that trend line. I think I should honestly take it off here. 6%. Here we go. Let's break high a day here, Netflix. There we go. 568 incoming. There we go. There we go. High a day break. I'm placing my order here. Looking for one more pop. Can we get it? There we go. I'm out there. Good little pop. Sold at 376 a contract. Great trade. I held all through this. I entered. Where did I enter? On this candle right here was my entry. I saw that demand held here. Demand held here. I got that pullback. I had a trend line. Stop was down here. So basically 50-cent stop on that. 60, 70-cent stop on that. 565.90 was my stop. So placed a great trade. Profit target was high a day. Good trade. Goes NASDAQ. Looking for a short here. Taking 427 puts. QQQ is trading at 426.85. I want to see if price just rejects. I want to get that put up here with the stop up here, but I don't want to just predict it. I need to react to what price is doing. So price came up and then just started failing up here. I may go ahead and market order into this. ES is trying to hold this consolidation zone. There goes NASDAQ. Let's just put my stop would be here if I entered short. I might go ahead and take that. I'm taking that there. Got filled at 141 per contract. Stop is 10 points, 12 points higher. Targeting this zone again. It's been tested or lower. This area right here where we're at now is from the high to the low is the 50% bearish Fibonacci. So bears should defend this area. Now that we're above it, bulls should defend this area. So we might get some buying pressure off this. My stop is incoming here. Go to a 1 minute again. 6.2 is the stop. 6195. We'll call it 17,662. That stop 10 points away is exactly 8% basically on my contracts. Wow, this thing is just back and forth here. The bears really want this thing down. I'm gonna pull up QQQ on or NQ on this chart. 5 minute. What I don't want to see is a crazy pop up into my stop, me get stopped out, and then it reverses and flushes straight back down, which may happen. And that's what you get for being early to the party. Break even here. Just struggling here. And look at the wicks that come down off this. The wicks that come here. So they're trying to hold that 50% line from this high to this low. Might get a higher low put in here. This is going for me up 12% currently. I will take the 16% move. That thing could come straight up through 17,660. Trying to make higher lows. Made a high, made a low here, made a higher low here, made a higher low here. It's not really making higher highs is the thing. I think this was a higher high up here right at my stop. Now we're coming right back down. It's rejecting the opening price of today. So that's interesting to note. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it wicks above here and comes right back down. Just what price action is telling me. I mean, there's so much consolidation in this zone right here. The fact that it's up trading above for this long, above this 50% fib is interesting to me. It looks like it wants definitely higher prices. Dang, my profit target was 31 right here. We came real close to it, 3 points away. 533, 2 points from my take profit. There he goes, up 15% there. Oh, come on. Should have just taken that move. I don't like that at all. ES coming straight back up. That 5 minute looks crazy. Down 2%. I was just up 15% down there. Getting to that 10:30 a.m. mark right here. Theta's starting to eat me up here, dollar by dollar. Trying here. 6.2 coming. There's 6.3, 6.4. I want to see what it does there, breaking the highs. That's crazy. There goes Tesla into previous demand. I'm out there. Took a loss on that. It was a decent trade, but it just was way too long hold time. Way too long. Maybe take a short here, honestly. With above stop above 7.2. It's only a 5 point stop. But I like that. I'm gonna place that trade there. Got filled at 121 per contract. New stop is up here. There's a push down. There's 5.6. That's the 1-to-1. I don't want to see it honestly above these candle highs. 6.7. Need to see it back down into 4.8. 5.0. I'll take it off at 4.8. Can we get a fourth red candle in a row here? 4.8. Up 10% on these. Let's get down to 4.8. Come on. I don't want to see back up there 51s. There we go. 4.870. There we go. I'm out there. So that was a good trade. So I had my stop up here. You can see how choppy it is. My previous stop was up here, right? And I entered that trade here and then got stopped out here. Um, I saw we came into this resistance, previous support, right? We were holding this area and then we had a major imbalance, just a dump right here at 10 o'clock news. Um, got back into this area and then found more sellers. So I entered on this candle and then stop was up here at the high of this candle. Got my 2 to 1 risk to reward. Guys, that's all I have for today. I took 3 trades today, as you saw, Netflix calls and 2 on QQQ puts. So I follow my rules. I had good risk management, I guess, on that first QQQ trade. I did lose more percentage than what I wanted to. That was because of trading 0 days till expiration contracts, which I shouldn't have done. Um, I should have just traded tomorrow's expiration. But through all that chop that I held of 25, 30 minutes, however long it was, I eventually stopped out and for a bigger loss than what it should have been. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button to stay notified whenever I post these videos, which usually will be every day, depending on if I trade or not. Hit the like button. Comment down below any questions you may have. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.